Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really sorry I've been posting different things online. Yeah, I've been posting different videos. I've been posting vlogs, video editing tutorials. I've been posting many things. You know what? I'm a new YouTuber, so I'm only trying to find out what niche I should or I will fit into, right? So that's why I've been posting different videos online, and I just got to realize that it's confusing my viewers. Yes, all I just got to realize it's confusing my viewers. And all thanks to one of my subscribers who just got to let me know that I'm actually confusing the viewers out there. I should choose a particular niche. Should shout out to him. So right now I've created a playlist where I'm going to be posting just tutorials, mainly editing tutorials. So if you know you're interested in learning different editing, like different editing, then don't forget to follow this channel, like, share, and comment, because in this channel, I promise you, as in there is a whole lot more ahead, like better things ahead, better things ahead. So if you don't want to miss out, don't forget to follow in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to blur your video. So I noticed that most people like to, most people don't have a fine background. Most people don't want to put out that background, or let's say they don't want to put out their background online. They don't want people to see what's in their house or what's behind them. So I'm here for you. I'm here to show you how to blur your background in your video. So if you're interested, or if you find this video interested after everything, don't forget to follow this channel. So let's get into it. But before then, after this video, I'll be posting another video on how to clone yourself in a video. So if you're interested on learning how to clone yourself in a video, then don't forget to follow this channel so that you don't miss out when I post the next video. So let's get into it, shall we?
Hi guys, so the first thing you like to do is to select the video that you want to use. So let's use this one, then you upload it to your CapCut app, and then the next thing you would want to do is you see this place over here, right, where it is written edit audio text overlay effects. You click on effects, right, then you click on video effects, and then it will show you this. You click on the search button, and then you type blur, blur, right, and then you search for it, right. So this is going to take some time, and then the first one, as in the first effect you see there, the first blur effect is the one you would like to use. So let's click on it. So let's use that particular one.
Hi guys, welcome back
So
to my
after
channel.
doing that, we've done the blur already. So as you can see, this is it here. So you're going to move it to the end part of the video, like you have to move it, let it start and end where the video starts and end. So after doing that, the next thing you want to do is to click on this video, and then after clicking on that, you duplicate it. So after clicking on that, you look for duplicate. So you look for duplicate over here. So as you can see, this is duplicate. Then you click on duplicate, right? So the video has been duplicated, right? So the next thing you want to do is to go to overlay. So you make this as an overlay. So mind you, this overlay is different from the normal one. So if you notice, you see this overlay, right, is different from this other one, this overlay over here. So it's different. So the overlay you use is this one over here, right? So when you click on it, it will come down. Did you see how it came down? So the next thing you want to do is to hold it and then pull it. You shift it to the starting of the main video, right? So it has to start and end where the first video starts and ended, right? So after doing that, the next thing you want to do is remove background. So you are going to click on this here. So you're going to remove the background of this duplicate of this video, the video you duplicated, right? So you are going to look for remove background. So let's look for remove background. So look at remove background here. So you're going to click on it, and then after clicking on it, you see auto removal, custom removal, chroma key. So the one you're going to be using here is auto removal. As you can see clearly, it is written on it free trial. So this free trial is written on it because I have not subscribed, like I've not paid. Some features in CapCut are pro, right? So this particular one, when you pay, you enjoy this for a few days, like you get to use this for free, and then you start paying. But I've not paid, right? So if you fall in this category of persons, like if you fall in my category whereby you don't have money to pay for this feature, like you don't have money to subscribe or however to be able to use all these features in CapCut, but you have InShot app, then I got your back. That is why I said you have to follow this channel, like, share and comment, because after this video I'll be posting another video on how to clone yourself in a video, and then after that video I'll be posting another video on how to blur your video using InShot. So it's not just CapCut app, there are other apps you can use to blur your videos, right? So that's why I'm going to be teaching how to use InShot. So on InShot app, this particular feature is free. Like, this particular feature is free. So if you don't have, like, if your CapCut is pro, you can use InShot app to create this blurry effect. So let's move on. So the next thing you want to do here is to click on the auto removal. So after clicking on this auto removal, you click on, so after clicking on this auto removal, okay, it's as you can see, you see this place that's written 1, right? It's still processing, so you're just going to wait for it for a little while. So you're just going to wait for, so it's done. As you can see, background removed, it showed background removed, right? So let's see what we have here. So let's play the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to my
So as you
channel.
can see
So
clearly,
I'm
the
really
background
sorry
has been
I've been
removed.
posting different things online, like
So guys, as you can see clearly, the background has been removed. So if you want to, if you're not okay with the quality of the video, right? If you're not okay with the quality of the video, and maybe you want to improve, you want to like add to the quality, you see this place that's written adjust, you click on the adjust, right? Then you go for this particular one now that's written brightness, you click on the brightness, right? Then you can increase the brightness of the video. So do you see how it's looking now? So you can decide to increase the brightness. After increasing the brightness, you click on contrast, then you increase the contrast a little, just to make it look real, right? So after doing that, let's see what it looks like now.
hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really sorry I've been
So guys, you see how beautiful it now looks. So if you found this video interesting, remember, don't forget to give me a follow, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, oh, like this video, share and comment. Tell me what you think. Did you learn a lot from this video? I bet you're going to learn a whole lot, because I have so much in stock for you. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell to be notified whenever I post amazing and interesting videos. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye.